Hello. Welcome back. ICT Trading Concept. Let me know, voice is okay. I'm not sure about the internet. As always, I don't know what to say. But please let me know that voice is okay. You can hear me perfectly. I will go further then, and I will talk about the price action. I mean the narrative. But most of the time, I will spend talking about the psychology. Okay. Hello, Abhinavo. Hi, Martin. Sound clear. Thank you, Obi. And music, good day. I'm not listen music. I'm not listen. I always tell you, I am just like you, brother. To be honest, I'm just like you. I'm not listened. So okay, so voice is good. Okay, I can see there are actually three people. Give me three like. Oh God, I got it. Three like. Good morning, Donna, and also good evening. But for like the daily check. Just let me remove everything. So, okay. Okay, looking forward to psychology chat. Okay, do we know? Hello, brother. AB, right? Digital. Good day from Nigeria. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Digital. Thank you very much. And good night from Bangladesh. So I'm just warning you. Hi, Hans. How are you, brother? I'm warning you. Actually, today I will talk about narrative little bit, but most of the time I will spend for the psychology. Okay, in my opinion, that is the most important thing for trading. Like, brother, this is simple, right? I am just like you. You are a human being, I'm also a human being, and maybe I am younger than some of you, okay? I mean, some of you are older than me. I can understand the price action. You also do understand the price action, but you are not profitable, I am profitable. Why? Why is that? Hi, Ramesh. Yes, how are you, brother? Don't forget to give me the like, please. It's a request. I'm profitable. Why you are not profitable? The thing is, I work about my psychology more than I work about the price action. Okay. Or just okay, my last video. Oh man. That's all credit goes to Obinavo. Obinavo, the guy. He actually made the title, also the thumbnail for my videos, and he is doing that thing again and again. I'm just requesting him every day, brother. Please, can you make a thumbnail and a title, please? Because I really don't understand this type of things. And after when he started to make the thumbnail and the title, I started to get more views and also more subscribers. Hey Duroy, how are you, brother? My age, I'm 32 years old. I mean, last September I got 32. I'm in 32. So yeah, I'm also older, but I'm telling you that some of you actually older than me. Okay, some of you are younger than me, I know. But the thing is, could it be that one of my challenge me using phone to analyze? I don't see everything. Digital, if you would like to learn the trading, it's nearly impossible to learn through your phone. I started my journey through my phone, but to be honest, brother, it will take much more time. And I will suggest if you can manage a laptop, please do that. I mean, through your phone, it's really nearly impossible to learn this concept. It is very difficult to look everything in the phone screen because this is very small over there. Okay, so if you have any way, please try to arrange a laptop or a monitor so that you can see the whole price action. I hope you will get the point. Mm, okay, thank you, Niroy. Okay, brother, we will talk over here. Okay, happy birthday. Sorry for late. No problem, don't know. No problem at all. So what I was talking, why I am profitable, why you are not. No problem, Ubi. The thing is, You have to work with your psychology first. Price action, it's if you just take sell every time, you will be profitable. Trust me, brother. If you are strong enough about your psychology. Psychology is everything, in my opinion, in this trading journey. What is psychology? Everyone will tell you you have to work with your psychology. But how do you work with your psychology? Good morning, Gautam. Don't forget to give me the like, please. It's a request, a very kind request. Please don't forget to give me the like. It's good for the algorithm. Hans told me, Stephen told me, Domino told me, Ovi told me, everyone told me that it's really failed at 60-minute fair value gap. I will look for that, brother. Don't worry. I will go for everything when I will be there. Please remind me, okay? Yeah, I got you, Nuroy. I got your message. You are Cyborg. I understand, brother. Hi, Karthik. So many greetings. Okay, I would like. What should I do? I should reply you first, or I should talk. So, what is actually psychology? Psychology is when you are expecting that market will go low, and you started to see market is actually going higher. Okay, don't be hurry. Don't be so busy to take buy over there. You have to wait. I don't care about how beautiful run over here. I really don't care about that because my narrative is telling me price will go lower. That is the thing my narrative is telling me. So whenever I will get my direction wise setup, I will take that. Here I will work with my psychology. Sometimes you will see it has taken the sell side liquidity. This is the daily chart. Don't think this is the daily chart. Just think this is 1 minute chart. Okay. So you have seen it has taken the sell side liquidity. It has given you a very nice market structure shift with a very nice fair value gap. Very nice reaction from that fair value gap. It is going higher. There is your buy side liquidity. So it is going to take the buy side liquidity. What will you do? Will you jump to the market? No. That is the psychology. You have to work with your psychology. If you can control yourself through this run, trust me, brother, 80% of the time you will be the winner because this is the run which is actually the fake run. If your narrative is right, if your weekly analysis is right, then this run is the fake run. You really don't know how long it will go. If you can control your emotion over here, you will get the precise price action over there. This is simple psychology. So you have to practice from here. You can't go to the live money, and if you think, okay, when I'll start my trading through my, I mean, live trading, then I will control my psychology. No, rather, it's nearly impossible. To be honest, it's nearly impossible because if you train yourself through the paper money and if you go to the live money, you will see that this whole, the thing you have teach yourself to control your emotion, it is not working over there. That is real money. If I can take a entry and if that is the profitable entry, I will get the real money. So you will be so hurried to take 1 2 3 4 5 6 trade in 1 day. You will try to do that. Trust me, brother. If any of you did the live trade, you already know that you can't control your emotion when you will trade the live money. Just think, you take a losing trade, you will jump to the market again to mitigate your losing trade. Trust me, brother, you will do that. You will think like that way. Okay, if I can take this entry, maybe I will mitigate my loss. So when you will see price actually went the mean threshold, I mean the threshold of your loss, I mean you take a loss for $100. So the very next step, you take another entry. So price is already at that $100 profit. Okay. If you close your trade over there, that means you have no loss right now, but you won't close that trade. You will never close that trade. What will you think? I'm just telling you. Write it down and later you can match this more. I will close my trade with some profit. Then you will see price actually reversed from $100 to $80 or $70, $60. You will wait. Why? Because price will go again above, and this time you will think if it can touch one more time to $100, I will close my trade. what will happen? You will see it is actually reversing and going toward your stop loss. What will you do? You will just move your stop loss. Why? Because you know you have to mitigate your loss by this entry. You have already made a mistake. You didn't close your trade when your loss was mitigated over there. So you will try to hold that trade until it will return to $100 again. This is the way you will blow your account. You will take another loss trade. You will never wait for the price action. You will just jump to the trade. Why? Because you are seeing this time you were wrong when you try to take the second entry. Okay, so it actually didn't went above. Instead of that, it started to go lower. You will start to think, okay, I don't need to read the price action. It, all of this thing will happen unintentionally. You will think it is going lower, so I will take short. So you will take short over here, and you will see the price actually went lower. It started to go higher. You take another loss. This is the way people blow their account. If you don't believe me, just go to your live money, try this. This is my experience actually. I did this type of things. That's why I'm sharing. Okay, I'm not sharing others' experience. Maybe some of you are very strong with your psychology. So I'm not telling you guys, but whoever is actually weak, I'm I'm talking to them. Okay, so don't think I know everything or I'm just dominating you. Not like that way. This is my experience. That's why I'm telling you, please don't take entry right now. If you cannot control yourself to stop taking paper money, how do you think you will take you can control yourself when you will trade real money? Just think. I told you not to take paper trade for 3 months, just 3 months, okay? You can't control yourself. You thought, okay, this guy told me not to take entry. Okay, I will not take the entry. You stopped for 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. 4th day, you will think, okay, I understand everything about the price action. Let's take a paper entry. Let's try. That means you your psychology is very weak. It's very weak, brother. You are not ready for trading. If you think psychology, I mean the trading price action, whatever price do over here, whatever I am trying to give you, you have learned all of that thing and you are ready for trading, you are in a misconcept. You know nothing about the trading then. You will never be a profitable trader until you can control yourself. I spent more time with Larry Williams in his trading. What does it called? I actually got his some kind of motivation speak or something. Like it's near about 3 hours, 4 hours in YouTube. You will find that where he talked about the psychology. So I actually watched that all the things, and from there I got a point. What is trading psychology? That is trading psychology. The psychology which will help you to wait for the perfect setup. If you take a loss, you will not jump to the chart again and take another entry over there. You will never do that. If you have a very strong trading psychology. I don't know, brother, are you guys getting bored or not? I told you that I will talk about the trading psychology most of the time, and then maybe I will talk about the narrative next step. I will do that, but I will spend more time for trading psychology. Okay, so if you get bored, you can skip today's session and later just come and find the narrative part. You can watch the narrative part. I hope it is clear. Okay, so please don't waste your time if you think you are getting bored. But in my opinion, that is the most important thing for trading. Ah, I know. No one is giving me the reply. I'm getting confused. What should I do? Should I show you the price action or not? Okay. Yeah, Larry Williams. Larry Williams, you will just search to the YouTube. Larry Williams Trading Psychology. You will find that. Okay. It's near about the seminar. It's called seminar. I think it's 4 or 5 parts. One of the part is near about 2 to 3 hours. So you will get the the whole psychology is set up over there. Though he didn't actually, he's the master of the trading. Okay, in my opinion, he's the boss. So I really thank him because he talked a lot about the trading psychology, and I really got the point about the trading from through his seminar. Okay, I'm fine, Hardik. How are you, brother? Okay, so you are on point. Okay, Domino, thank you, brother. So I think I'm not actually wasting your time. Don't forget to give me the like. I'm just repeating this, and please, one of you take the responsibility to write it down so that someone if just join, they can actually what was how to say, they can give me the like. Okay, please just keep writing that thing sometimes. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Obi. Thank you, thank you, Raymond. Yes. So that is the first part of the trading psychology. What is the second part? Okay, Hardik. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. So that is the first part of the trading psychology. What is the second part then? Second part is you have 5 days in a week to trade. Okay, this is the second part. So you have already controlled yourself that if you don't see nice setup, you will never take the entry. Okay, this is the first step. So you have already trained yourself to control that emotion that if I don't see a setup, I will never take an entry. Now, what is the second step? You have 5 days in a week for trading. Okay, so in Monday you didn't see any nice setup. Just think that way. Okay, you didn't see any very clean setup. You didn't see that. So you just told yourself, okay, this is Monday. I didn't get a setup. No worries. Tomorrow I will take a setup. So in Tuesday you come to the chart. You are very hurried to take an entry. Why? Because yesterday you didn't take entry. You didn't do anything. So you are now confident. I controlled myself. I know how to trade. I have very strong psychology. So in Tuesday, what will you do? You will force the market to make a setup as your expectation. You will force it. Okay, trust me, brother. It will happen. So if you have the notebook, please write it down. Whatever I'm telling you, you just write it down. Okay. Uh, 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 uh. Karthik, I told you, brother. If you get bored, you can skip. Okay, and later just come back. And you all guys, I'm not here to teach you the only the price action. I really don't care about the price action. This is the thing everyone can do. Everyone can trade. But if you want to be a profitable trader, you have to work with other things that is not related with, I mean, the price action. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I misunderstand you, Karthik. So that is the thing, brother. Yeah, psychology is the main part. I mean, 99% things works in trading journey is psychology. 1% is price action, and that is just click a mouse. I mean, if you just click on your mouse, that is done. That is your trade. But 99% time you have to work with your psychology. So what I was talking about, the second step of the psychology. So in Tuesday, when you come to the market and you waited whole day in Monday, you didn't take any entry because you didn't see any nice setup. What will you do? You will force the market, give you a setup. Now you are not actually reading the price, you are forcing the price to go with yourself. You what will happen in that case? In that case, you will forget something. What will you forget? Maybe you will forget the narrative, maybe you will forget the bias, anything. Just maybe you will forget to mark the opening gap or the new day opening gap, but you will forget something because you are not strong enough. Your psychology is not strong enough. You will forget something that is very important in that specific day. Maybe this is Wednesday. I told you to mark the opening of this week and the consequent encroachment of the last, I mean the 50% of the last week. You forget to mark those level. You already forget that. Okay, so you are expecting market will go lower, but actually price is above the both levels. So actually price would like to go higher, but you forget to mark those levels. Now you will start to force the market to go lower. You will take entry, you will take a loss. Now what will you think? You will think, yesterday whole day I waited for the perfect setup, and Tuesday when I take a loss, I just come to the market. I waited for everything. Everything was perfect. It should go lower, but it is going higher. Why I took the loss? It shouldn't be happen. Maybe I know there is something I really don't know. You will be less confident. Okay, so you started to lose your temper. You will start to lose your temper. Then you will forget everything and you will do the same thing I talked about. The first step of the psychology, you will blow your account. Okay. So what will you do in the next day? You will wait for the setup. You have to tell you, and whatever I'm talking about, you will not never tell this to you. Okay, it will happen unintentionally. You will never notice that you are actually getting, I mean, so impatient. You can't wait for the perfect setup. How do you recover this? How do you recover this? You have to train yourself from here. How? You have to wait for the perfect setup. What is the first step? Don't take any entry right now. If you are learning, I'm telling, if you are learning right now, if you already know these things, it's okay, then that's another thing. I mean, some of you actually trading for near about 5 to 6 years, maybe 1 2 years, you are actually trading. Okay, so this is not for you. This is for you who are interested to learn the concept. This is for you. Okay, so you have to wait here. You can't take entry for 3 months. Trust me, brother. Just write it down to your notebook that today's date. Today is maybe 28. So far I remember 28th October. So I can't take entry until November, December, January. January 28. Until January 28, I will not take any paper entry, or I even don't place this thing on my chart. If you can do that for 3 months, you will start to think you are strong enough. Trust me, brother. It is nearly impossible. I couldn't do that at my first time. I couldn't do that. And then what happened? I didn't place even this thing for 17 months. 17 months. I didn't even put this thing on my chart. But previously, I waited for 1 week. After 1 week, I started to think, okay, I got everything. This is the way it works. How beautifully it is working over there. Let's just take the entry, paper entry. When I started to put the paper entry, maybe first time I was taking some, I mean, the winning trade or something like that. But later when I got a losing trade, I blow my mind. I blow my paper account. Okay. So that happens actually, brother. To be honest. Now you can think, brother, 90 days, 3 months. Are you kidding? 3 months I will wait. What do you think? If you can't control 3 months, and then if you start to earn for your lifetime, isn't it better? Or you will just, I mean, you can't wait 3 months and you will keep continue losing. That is great. Which one is great? It's up to you. You will decide what will you do. If you want to earn lifetime, you have to waste, I mean, not waste, you have to utilize your time for 3 months, at least for 3 months. There is no other way. If you don't believe me, you can try. You will never be a profitable trader until you are strong enough with your psychology. You can't be. I don't know how beautifully you can read the price. How, I mean, if you are the best, if you are the best of the best of reading price action, you will be a loser. To be honest, at the last, you will be the loser because you are not strong enough with your psychology. Yesterday, when in the morning session, I was showing you the price action over there after the news, before the news. Whenever I saw the news, what did I told you? Brother, after the news, and if there is a news ahead of you, you have to wait because you will expect some kind of sloppiness or the, very abnormal price action. If you are not strong, if you don't have the strong psychology, you will be chopped up in that time. And you have no idea when you will take I mean losing trade, what will work, what will you think about the losing trade next step. You you will be so hurry to mitigate your loss. You will be chopped up again. You will do that continuously. You will blow until you blow your account, or if you take the funded account challenge or something, until you lose that challenge or that account. You will do that. You will continuously do that, and the very next day you will think, oh man, how beautifully it is running right now. Why did I just chopped up over there? I should wait. You will go again. You will take another challenge. You will do the same thing again. You will blow your account again, and it will continuously. You will do that. I don't know you are believing me or not, but to be honest, that is the way it works. Yeah, Kartik, that is okay, 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 okay. Yes, even you lose, but don't stop. Start from the first and don't do the same mistake. My kind solution, brother. What did you say? Yes, but even you lose, but don't stop. Just start from the first and don't do the same mistake. My kind solution, brother. Uh, Actually, the thing is, I told you if you lose because of the price action, alaikum assalam. If you lose for the price action, but you are really strong enough with your psychology, that is not losing. You can start again. Don't give up. You can start again. This maybe next time you will be the profitable trader. But if you don't have the strong psychology, brother, I don't care how many times you will restart, you will continuously, you will be the loser. Trust me. Just trust me. I lose to Profam account. I told you guys I lose to Profam account, and in that time actually I was the beginner. I was learning this ICT concept, and I face all of these things. Whatever I'm telling you here, you can match it, or if you never take the challenge or something, when you will take them, you can match whatever I'm telling you. You can match it with yourself. To be honest, brother, I don't know how to believe you. I mean, how can I make you believe? But it will happen. Okay. Thank you, Martin. Yeah, it's to be honest, it's the true one. Okay, Kartik, I'm not telling any of you that please don't take any prop firm account or anything. I'm not telling that. I'm just telling those guys who are here actually for learning. Okay, if you are already a profitable trader, you just come here to learn. I mean, to make some concepts more clear. It's the different thing. Okay, I am talking about those. I mean, I'm talking to those who actually didn't start trading yet, but they are actually learning this concept. Okay, Kartik, uh, I'm just telling about this psychology to them. Maybe you have a very strong psychology, so that is different matter. If you ask me about my beginning, when I lose my prop farm account, I took so many losses. I didn't even count that. I mean, I just take revenge trade until I blew those two accounts. And later, when I learned this concept, I mean, near about 9 months ago. I mean, when I started first profit, I mean, the first time I was trading as a profitable trader. From there, my maximum losing strike is four. I mean, I took four losing entry one after another. That was my maximum. Most of the time, I actually take maximum two, or very rarely three losing. I mean, losing strike in a row. But two, it happens. Sometimes it happens. I take two losing trade in a row. It happens. This is my world. Actually, when I have started to learn ICT concept, I get bored. To be honest, I get bored, and after that, when I get bored for his long lecture, I try to find other YouTubers, and I find out that nobody actually clear the concept perfectly. They keep something in their self. I mean, they don't make everything clear. They just take a part, then they show how it works with through their, I mean, their concept. They show that, but nobody shows every day's price action, same thing again and again. I never saw that. That's why I asked you, if you have any, I mean, anything like that, please send me the link. And Domino actually gave me a link. I saw that, but there is something I forgot to tell him, but I will tell him. Okay, so he's also keeping something in his mind. He didn't clear something that is the most important part, in my opinion. Whatever I am giving you, don't think I am giving you everything, because I really don't know everything. But whatever I am giving you, that is everything I know. Whatever I'm telling you here, that is everything I know. When I talk about the macro, I gave you everything. There is nothing left in my mind that I think when I If I take ever any macro entry, if I see anything, I will never think anything else except I give you. Okay. When I am talking about the fair value gap, so far whatever I teach you, I don't think anything else except that thing. I mean the mean threshold, lower part, and the higher part. Yeah, there are a lot about the fair value gap still you need to understand, but it will take time, to be honest. Hi Shanti, uh, good evening, brother. So actually, I quit to watch others YouTubers video and I started uh, ICT, and so far I remember I watched his 22 YT model 17 to 20 times. Every video 17 to 20 times, and every word by word, because in his lecture he actually gave everything. Though it is tricky, to be honest, it is tricky, but he gave everything over there. And it took near about, I told you that it took near about hmm, maybe 22 months, I forgot, but near about 2 years to find out what actually was in that 2041 video. So it's kind of my memory. Everything is in my memory. Every line is in my memory. So that is the thing. Okay. So I after that I never watch any other video, because all the YouTubers, they only think about that channel. They really don't care about other people. They attract people like I'm doing right now. I mean, Obinabo, he told me that how to attract other people. I try to do that, and if you don't believe me, Obi is over here. You can ask him. Whenever he gave me the title, I told him, brother, is it content relevant or not? If it is content relevant, then I I told him, okay, then it's okay. Otherwise, I told him, brother, please don't. Obi told me to make a video about ICT's some 30-second model, something like that. I told him, if you don't believe me, Ovi is over there, the green something on his profile picture. You can ask him, okay? I told him, brother, I can do that, but to be honest, it will harm people. I mean, it will harm them because they will take more losses to that model. It is very hard to trade. I tried it. So many other people tried it, but ICT Son can do that because ICT Son has his father, who is the father of this concept. We don't have ICT. So it is really difficult for us. We need more experience to trade 30-second chart. That is my opinion. Maybe some of you actually profitable through that model or something, but that is my opinion. Okay, don't take it otherwise. Okay. How many highest? Okay, I think Avi, I gave you the answer. When you went learning, I didn't. I told you this is my world. Sandy, good evening. Good evening, brother. Can you show how this upcoming Monday will be? Ashanti, I will talk about that tomorrow. I mean, not today. I will talk about tomorrow about the weekly bias. Everything I will talk about that tomorrow. Okay. Nobody actually clear by. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, New. Karthik, bro, can you explain the balance range of fair value gap? I have sent the video. Karthik, can you please go yesterday's live, because yesterday I gave it. I mean, I cleared that 2 times. So if you just watch the yesterday's streaming, please find the part. I don't remember when I talked about that, but I cleared that over there. Okay. Uh, I am in ICT. Do you have a list to beginners? Thanks. Gulliver, this is the hardest thing. I should ask you guys. Should I go? I mean, should I make some videos so that that will be from the very beginning? Should I make that type of things? Because whatever I'm doing here, it is for someone who actually know little bit about ICT. A little bit. This is for them, okay? I mean, if you really don't know what is fair value gap, what is liquidity taken, or this type of things, I think my channel is not for you, okay? You can come later when you will get some idea about ICT stuff. Until now, I don't have anything for the beginners. I mean, for the very beginners who actually came here for the first time about the ICT. This is not for you guys, so you will actually waste your time if you stay over here. I'm not getting rude. I'm telling you the truth. So this is the truth. If you are very new, this is not gonna help you. So you have to know something about ICT concept. Otherwise, I don't know. Sorry if I hurt you. Okay, you say you are giving us everything. That's what others say too. Yeah, digital. It's obviously, but you can compare whatever I'm talking over here. I mean, previous thing is macro. When I talk about macro, I gave you 2 weeks for showing you every macro session. And when I talk about fair value gap, I gave you 3 weeks showing you that fair value gap is working every day, how it is working every day. And I wasn't just, sometimes I take this fair value gap, sometimes I take maybe this fair value gap. I didn't do that. I told you the lowest fair value gap should be breakaway gap. How we use that breakaway gap when it will be above, the price will be above that breakaway gap. And I showed you when it will go through the breakaway gap, how will we use that breakaway gap. I showed you for near about 3 weeks. Every day on the live streaming, on the live, I showed it to you. So that is the thing, I'm showing, I'm doing. And you can compare with other people. They will not give you the content every day. They are profitable trader, they know how to do that type of things, but they will never give it to you. Do you know why? Because if you can understand which fair value gap I am actually marking, why I am marking that fair value gap, they will show you, brother, this is the fair value gap. It will act as a, let me give you an example. Okay, just an example. So this is the fair value gap. It will act as a inversion fair value gap. So see it, when it came back again here, it is acting as a inversion fair value gap. Why it is acting as a inversion fair value gap? There's so many other fair value gap. Why other fair value gap is not working as a inversion fair value? Look over here. I have just marked in this one. Okay, this is daily chart, so I'm sorry, I just removed this one. I really don't know. I'm just giving you an example about, comparing with other people. Okay. So look, when price came here and I saw price actually rejected from this fair value gap, I started to say, brother, see, this is the I fair value gap. Look how beautifully it has traded the lower part of this fair value gap and it went below. Okay. I am showing you this, but why this fair value gap is acting as a inversion fair value gap? I didn't talk about the inversion fair value gap, but I'm just giving you an example. Why it is working as a inversion fair value gap? Why it didn't work over here? Anybody, nobody will clear this to you. If anybody did it, just send me the link. I really would like to watch his video, and that should be work every time. Not every time, at least 70 to 80% time. Okay, I need that. What I'm doing here, I'm showing you why I am selecting this fair value gap. I am just giving it to you. I'm not showing you the entry over here. I'm showing you why I am using this fair value gap. Why you will use this fair value gap, not other fair value gap. Not this one. This one is not important for me. This one is important for me. Why? Because this is the reason. So brother, I have just started this streaming for 1 month. From 1st of the October, and today is 28 October. I missed maybe 2 to 3 days near about that. I missed that. So whatever I gave you, I never changed my word. Okay, I showed you why I am using this, how I mark this one. I gave you the narrative. You have watched so many video about narrative. Tell me who told you everything clear ways. You guys are with me for 2 weeks. Whoever is with me for 2 weeks, you all know about the narrative. I mean, how do you expect the price action every day? Okay, I will talk about this thing today. Yesterday's price action today. But let me just finish this first. Who told you how narrative works? In every step, every second, every minute, how narrative will work? Who told you? Let me know. Okay, I told you I am giving you everything, but if you don't give me the time, I can't make the video. I stopped to make the video. It's because you guys complain that my video is longer. Now I can't make the video very smaller with all of this information. It is nearly impossible for me. I don't know who can make this type of video within 5 minutes they gave you every information and you will understand that. I really don't know, but I can't make that type of video. Very small video, within 5 minutes I will give you every information. I can't do that. So that's why I rarely make the video. Whatever I'm making right now, that is for the new people, so that new people can see the video and they can subscribe to my channel, they can join with me to my live stream, so that they can learn the things whatever I'm giving it to you. If you really know the narrative that Monday will stay inside the Friday range, Tuesday will take the buy side liquidity, Wednesday you will expect the expansion, Thursday you will expect the continuation of the expansion, Friday you will expect the range bound again like the Monday. If you know these things, every step, it is little bit confused for you now because I you have seen only 1 week. When I will go another week, you will understand much more clear this thing. It will take time. You understand that, right? You understand that it will take time. So I'm just giving you these things. Just tell me who gave you this. Nobody will give you. Do you know why? Because if you know how to do this, you will not watch my video. You will not watch my video. I will lose my viewers. I will lose my income from YouTube. That's why nobody will give you. Trust me, brother. Very soon I will stop this live streaming, this type of things. Very soon I will stop that. Maybe I will continuously give some videos. I mean the attractive video which you actually saw from the YouTube, other YouTubers. I will do the same thing, but I will stop this. I mean teaching things, this type of things. I will stop that because I am just giving you time so that you guys can learn. Instead of that, if I just do my own trade, I can earn real money, brother. To be honest, I rarely take entry. Maybe last month I took three entry to my two account, top step account, FTM account. I just took three entry, and one entry I got maybe 200 plus. One entry I got $20, and one entry maybe 500 or something like that. Just three entry I took last 1 month. So you can say I'm just wasting my time over here. But am I actually wasting my time? No, I'm not wasting my time. You guys will understand this concept. Why I am doing this? What is my benefit then? Brother, when I have learned these things, all of these things, you have no idea how difficult was that. There was not a single people, I mean single man who was there to give me the answer of my doubts. Nobody, literally nobody gave me the reply. Nobody means nobody. I learned this by myself. I spent so much time to understand the price concept, but I thank to Allah that nobody gave me the reply because Alhamdulillah now I understand so many things. So I have decided to give you something that will work in the real life. That's why I've decided to, I mean, not teaching, but sharing my understanding with you guys. Now it's up to you. If you think it is actually not improving your trading or your anything, okay, just like related with trading, if it is not improving, brother, I'm not telling any of you to stay over here. I always tell you, if you here for learning, you can stay, otherwise you can leave. I don't care about your subscriber, your views, or anything. I really don't care about that. I only care about that your success or your understanding. That is all I want from you. If you think I'm rude, I'm very sorry for that. I talk too much, I know. Okay, Ovi, thanks for confirming. I see dollars still first time and price. Yeah, time and price. Obviously, time is the everything. Time is everything. That's why I told you not to take entry before the session. Avoid entry after the big run. Avoid entry before the news. After the news, I told about this, that type of things. Okay, you will watch the yesterday's live. Okay, brother. Yeah, I think you will. The fair value gap concept. I mean the balance concept will be clear to you. Okay. Okay, I think that happens every day, but I'm just an exam trading. What thought that 100% confidence actually. This is my world. That is the thing of the psychology because I wait for previous action, price action. I mean, just let me tell you, let me compare me with you. Don't mind, okay? This is my world. This is for you, okay? Please don't get mind. What you will do and what I will do. You will actually waiting. Maybe you are going to take short from this fair value gap. Okay, just you know it will go through this fair value gap. Just giving you an example. You know that it will go through this fair value gap, and when it will come back again over here, you will take your short for maybe some kind of sell side liquidity. Okay, so when you will see price actually went through this fair value gap and it will come over here, you will take your entry over there and you will be stopped out over here. But what I will do, I will let some setup go first. Why? Because I want to see price is actually listening to me. The way I am expecting the price, it is reacting that way. When I will see it is reacting with my expectation, then later I will take my sell over here. That is the difference between you and me. I let some setup, I mean entry setup, let it go. And then when I saw price is actually listening me, it is acting with my expectation. I already sacrificed 2 or 3 setup. Then I get confidence that this one will work. If you have remembered from yesterday's tweet, I told you guys look for sell when just let me go over there. Okay, so let me show it to you. I'm not. I mean, just let me show it to you. Okay. Okay, so there's something else. I really forgot what. Oh, okay, I remember. Was it here? Yeah, that was over here. Just let me show you. Okay. No, there's something else. I think I really forgot. Not this one. Let me remember. Okay, so there was this one. This one. Sorry. Okay. So if you remember at yesterday at 12, when price was just over here, I told you look for the sell. I told you if you are with me in my Twitter, you know already. I told you to look for sell. I didn't tell you look for buy. Where there was very clean. I mean the new day opening gap or something, and it was above this fair value gap. I told you to look for sell. Why I told you that? Because I saw the price action over here. It was respecting my, I mean my concept. What did I tell you? If price would like to go higher, it will never break the consequent encroachment over here. But look, it came to the consequent encroachment, it break, it went through this consequent encroachment. This was the sign which was telling me market will go lower. Then price came here and I got confidence that market will go lower because of this little price action. Just a little price action gave me the confidence market will go lower with the narrative. Okay. Now, when price was over here, if you remember, price was over here, I told you look for sell. Don't think price will go lower. So there was very clean sell side liquidity. I forgot where was the sell side liquidity. I told you look for buy, not sell. Look for buy. Mark your buy side liquidity. Look for buy. And I also posted this video with all of this price action over here. I mean, so many trade I took yesterday because of one guy actually blame me for something. So I did that type of things. If you remember, if you were with me in Twitter, and I told you to take the buy over here. I took my buy depending on this fair value gap. This fair value gap, not this one. I took my buy depending on this fair value gap, and my target was above this high. Okay, so that is the thing. Why I was talking about that, I really forgot, but uh, I think okay. So why I get confidence because I let some, I mean some setup go when I have seen it has taken this buy side liquidity. gave me very nice market structure shift over there. It went actually it react the price over here. There was two fair value gap. Look, this one is the first fair value gap. This is the second fair value gap. It came to the first fair, I mean the first fair value gap or second fair, whatever you tell, and it actually went lower. Take the sell side liquidity. I get confident. It worked over here with my expectation. So it should work over here with my expectation. It should work that way. Not every time I'm right. Sometimes I take loss. Just for your just a second. I know it's very difficult to explain everything. Neura, thank you, brother. Okay, I didn't find anyone who break down and give us that much information. Thank you for giving us, brother. No problem, Avi. No problem at all. Thanks, but no problem, new. Karthik, literally true. Your explanation is totally different from others creators. Thank you, Karthik. I noticed last week that the lunch raid happens a lot. Lunch raid is, yeah, something that really difficult to understand. Lunch is the thing what you should avoid. But I took the lunch entry because of that things. I already explained to my Twitter why I did that thing. I was actually talking to someone. Uh, so okay. So I did all of these things. I mean all of these things from here, from there to here, all of these things yesterday to show someone that okay, whatever I know you don't know, so don't ever dare to think I'm just like, this is the thing I try to explain to you. You all can do this type of things, you all can do that, but for that you need experience. You can't do, you can just watch some of my video and you can do this. Don't think like that way. It is not possible. Okay, what's up ICT Pro Trader Path? How are you, brother? I also noticed I think for 4 p.m. American time pumps. Why this happens 4 p.m. Uncle? What is that 4 p.m. American time pumps? I don't know. Supposed to be about water block and breaker. I will see that. I will see that, brother. Video, but get some real value to it. Okay, I will see that, brother. I found this stream accidentally. What is the schedule of the stream? Thanks. Gulliver, I actually try to stream at Newark 8 a.m. Newark local time. Most of the time, if I do stream, I try to do it at 8 a.m. Newark local time. Okay, and I really try to stream every day right now because I am gonna quit the streaming so soon. Maybe within 1 or 2 months, I'll just quit this one. When I will start to see some of you guys can continuously get the profitable entry, I will quit this streaming. Okay, brother. Subscribe, brother. We'll check it out. Thank you, music. He's also the ICT Pro Trader Path. He's also doing a very good job. Okay. The guy who actually asked me how can you start from the beginning, this is for you, brother. You can go to the ICT Pro Trader Path to his channel. He's actually doing the beginner things. So I hope you can subscribe to his channel and you can learn a lot from his channel. Okay, so the guy, I really forgot your name, brother, but you can check that out. You will be benefited, I can tell that. Okay, have you ever paid god word Allah to help you understand this trading, just not that your answer if you get to it was one cent. Domino, that is that is just overwhelming, brother. I am not like that. I am here. I'm also a learner like you, brother. I'm also learning. In the meantime, I'm just sharing my thinking with you. Okay, that's all. I mean, I'm not like, what to say. To be honest, brother, I'm not exceptional. I'm just like you guys. And right. No, Abhinav, not. You will not sacrifice the setup. The thing is, right now you will sacrifice. What I do, I I just open my chart at maybe 9:30. Okay, just think. I open my chart at 9:30. What I do, I saw the previous price action. If I see previously price would act with my expectation, I take the first entry after 9:30 or at the 9:30 or something. Okay. But if I see it didn't act with my expectation before the session, I avoid the entry over there. I start to read the price from there. But you can't see, I mean, when you will open your chart, you will see the previous price action. You can't read it. Why? Because you will try to match the price action with your expectation. You will try that. You will not try the way price printed over there. That is the thing. Okay. So you are not ready yet to do that. That's why I told you, when you will open your chart, you will start to read the price for future. I mean, whatever price will print later, you will start to read them, because previous price action you are not able to read that until now. You are not ready. When you will be ready, you will understand that you can actually read the previous price action which is already printed over there. You are not forcing market to go to match it with your expectation. So that's why I told you to read the price action and sacrifice it for 2 to 3 setup. The best way is not to trade for 3 months. After 3 months, you are allowed to take the entry. Don't forget to give me the like. Please, guys, I really need the like. I can see there's very small like. Please give me some like. I really need that. Okay. The market on Monday and Tuesday. I'm expecting green day due to right. I want to know if you have. ICT, I will talk about that tomorrow. I mean the weekly bias. I will do that tomorrow. Today, actually, I will talk about the trading psychology and the narrative. I mean the narrative, the way price actually acts in every specific day. Because last week I talked until the 15 minutes. So today I will go from daily 15 minutes and the 1 minute entry setup. I will go with that. Okay, I think I have wasted so many time by uh, talking about something which I wasn't really wanted to talk. Okay, so where I was about the trading psychology. So that is the thing. If you can control your psychology, you will be the profitable trader. If you can't control your psychology, you can't be the profitable trader, never ever. So that is the most important thing when you will start the trading. Let me go to the thing over here. So this is the daily chart and this is from the last week. I will go step by step and let me just pin this from here. Okay. Hmm. So this is the candle from Friday. This is the Monday candle. What was our expectation? Monday price will, I mean the price will stay inside the Friday range. So this is the Friday range. So I'm just, I would like to talk about the narrative right now. So this is the Friday range. Monday's price will stay inside this range. That is our expectation. Okay. Now let's go to the 15-minute chart. So this is the 15-minute chart and I will actually mark the high from the here, and this is the low from Friday. So and I will just remove this one. I will mark the, just let me mark it. Where is Monday? Monday. Okay, from there. So this is the Monday. I mean Monday's price action and until 4 p.m. So this is the Monday price action. Okay, and don't forget this level is the Friday high. This level is Friday low. Okay, you are going to get into the next step of the narrative. So what should our expectation from Monday? Monday price will stay inside the Friday range. Now after 12, price went lower below the Friday range. When it went below the Friday range, okay, just remember this is the Friday low. I'll go to the 1 minute chart right now. Let me log this one. So it went lower the Friday. I'm in 1 minute chart, okay, brother? Don't forget. When it went lower, what should be your expectation? Market will go back into the range, the Friday range. This is the Friday range. So market will go back into the, the Friday range. That should be our expectation. How do you know price will go over there? First thing first, when it came here, look at the time, and you always wait for the session. I Let me just make it more clean. You will wait for the session. Outside of the session, there is no entry, nothing. Price came lower, it went higher again, it went lower, it started to go low until 9:30. It is below the Friday low. Will you take short over here? See how beautifully it traded over here. Maybe market structure shift. What is that? That is the fair value gap. It has traded over there. Went lower. What will you do? You will take that entry? No. Why? Because this is below the Friday low. Guys, this is the important part. Okay, this is the part about working your psychology. You have to work with your psychology over here. Now you saw price actually went lower. It went much more lower, and you started to think, oh man, I have missed this run. This is a very big run. I missed it. Why? Because the guy, I really never met with him. He told on his YouTube, he told some shit. He told me that not to take sell because this is below the Friday low, and price went lower. It never come back again over here. That's why I missed this entry. If you think like that way, you will never be a profitable trader. You have to work with your logic. Narrative is the thing. What is the most important, I mean most important part of the psychology? Okay, I will not show you the 15-minute direction with the entry setup. Okay, I will just show you directly to the 1 minute chart, so that you guys can understand how do you expect, and later you will go to the 15-minute chart and you will try to find the setup from there. So it went lower, 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 it came here, then it started to go higher. Will you take your buy? No. Why? Because this is before 9:30. Until 9:30 you have nothing to do, and now there is 9:30. Look over here, there is 9:30. This candle is 9:30 candle. What is your expectation over here? Price will go higher. Why price will go high? Because still it is below the Friday low. Instead of that, it started to go lower. What will you think? Okay, so maybe price will never go back into the Friday range again. So let's take sell over here. Let's take sell over here. No, you will not take the sell over here. If it never come back again into the Friday range, you have nothing to do. But you will never take buy. I mean the sell, because it is below the Friday range. It came here. Maybe it has taken this sell side liquidity. Yeah, it has taken this sell side liquidity. It started to go higher. If you see a setup over here, just think, okay, maybe it has this your, I'm just giving you the example. This is your market structure shift. This is your first fair value gap, which should act as a breakaway gap. Okay, and there is your second fair value gap. Just I'm giving you the example, don't think this is the entry or something. Okay, so you saw price actually tap to this fair value gap. You will take your buy. Why? Because already I am below the Friday range. My narrative is telling me the price will go inside this range to the Friday range. I'm below the Friday range. I I have already taken the sell side liquidity. Gave me the very nice market structure shift. Just think, this is the market structure shift. I'm not telling you this is the market structure shift. I'm just talking this so that you guys can understand. I showed you how to take entry to the Monday session because I was live over there. So when it has given me the market structure shift and the price actually tapped the upper part of the fair value gap, you will take your buy over there. Where should be your stop loss? It has to be below the consequent encroachment of the breakaway gap. But in my opinion, you can put your stop loss below the breakaway gap. If I see very small breakaway gap, I really do that. But if I see this type of breakaway gap, I mean the bigger breakaway gap. In that case, I actually put my stop loss just below the consequent encroachment. Okay. And where will be your target? You will mark some kind of buy side liquidity. Look the buy side liquidity over here. All of this buy side liquidity. If any of you are new here, you will think actually it didn't work that way, but I did this thing in live with some of you were with me. I did this thing in live, so there was that was not our setup. Our setup was over here. So I'm just trying to give you the thing if you can understand. So that should be your entry. Why? Because you are working with your narrative. Now let me tell you again. Just let me remove this. Otherwise I'll be confused. And clean all of these things. So price is actually inside the range again. Okay, it is already inside the range, and actually over here it went through. It is going higher. Okay, will you take your buy over here? Obviously, I will take my buy. Why? Because I have. If you see the setup, I'm not talking about the setup. I am just telling you the narrative. How do you find your narrative? When price is over here, will you take your buy? Or somewhere here, will you take your buy? Obviously, you will take your buy. Why? Because you know your range is over here. Price will go at least this range. It will be inside this range. That means you have more space above the price right now. So price will go higher. That should be your expectation. It won't go lower this low again. It has done its job over here. It has actually taken the sell side liquidity. Now I am expecting price will stay inside the Friday range. Okay, I mean the inside the Friday range. So if you find any kind of setup over here inside the session over here, let me show you. Over here, if you see any kind of setup over here, you will take your, I mean, buy or sell, whatever you are just expecting, you will take that. You have much more space to go higher. Okay, all of this place you will find so many setup. Now when price came here, it is very near to this high. Try to understand this guys very clearly. It is very near to this high. What I told you, price will stay into this range. I mean Friday range, it will stay into this range. Now it is very near to this high. That means it is a very small space over here. Will it take the buy? I mean the high? Yeah, it can do that. Look, we have very nice equal highs over here. See the equal highs, they're very clean. Will I go for that highs? No, I will not go for that highs. Why? Because my expectation is price will never leave this area, the Friday high and Friday low. It went lower. I expect that. I mean, I accept that it went lower, but it is able to come back again into the range. So my overall expectation has to be it will never leave the Friday low. It will never leave the Friday high. It will stay into this range. Are you guys getting my point or not? Let me know by the comment, okay? No, brother, I don't have any Discord channel or anything, okay? So I'm sorry, I have only Twitter, Facebook page, and this YouTube, nothing else. So when price is over here and it started to go lower, I will wait for the short. Do you guys get the point why I will look for the short? Because it has very small space over here. Look, very small space, and I know price will not go above this high. Now you saw, you get a very nice setup over here, you take your sell, but it actually went higher and it has taken the Friday's highs as well. Yeah, it can do that. You will take a loss. Don't get bothered about your loss, because when it will go above this high, you know it will come back again to this range. You will find another sell, I mean sell over there. This is the price action from Monday. So you will wait for the sell setup. You see, it is already inside the mm, session. I mean after 1, I think. Yeah, here is the one candle. So it is already inside the range. And I think so far I remember we had a setup over here, because I remember this was our relatively equal lows. I really don't remember exactly, but I so far I remember that was our sell over here to this fair value gap. I don't remember exactly. whatever, you will wait for taking some kind of buy side liquidity, then market structure shift, you will take a short over there for some kind of liquidity, very clean liquidity or something. You will do that, okay, until it is inside the range. Is it clear or not? Okay, let me know. After when you will tell me that you got the point, I will go to Tuesday. Otherwise, I will explain the Monday price action again. This is very important. After that, after today, I will never talk about the narrative again. So if you didn't get the point, please, if you don't get the point, let me know. And don't forget, in the meantime, please give me the like. I really want your like. Peasant Force, I am from Bangladesh. Very beautiful country. It's very beautiful country. So let me know that you got the point, because I really need to know that you got the point. Otherwise, I will go the price action again from the Monday. I mean, I will repeat the things again. Okay, please let me know first. So this is the price action from Monday, and we will work. I mean, the 15-minute fair value gap, you can see there was actually our last fair value gap. So yeah, we took that entry. I get the point. We have taken this entry over here because that was our 15-minute last breakaway gap. I actually planned that sell over there, and our target was some relatively equal lows over here. I took that entry. I can easily I mean, I can see that over from here. Okay, and from Pakistan. Okay, brother, so you're from Pakistan. Okay. Okay, Ovi, thank you for confirming that you got the point. I need two more comments so that I can understand that. I mean, some of you actually got the point. If if you have no problem, please write it down that you got the point, because you are here to listen and I am here to tell. If we can't communicate each other, it is really difficult for me to continue. Thank you, Hans. Thanks for commenting, brother. So I just need one more comment. I mean, one more guy. It's clear. Okay. Okay. Thank you, brother. So that should be your expectation. Thank you, Pages. Expectation from Monday. And now I will go to Tuesday. Okay. I'm not sure if my invite link is working or not. Can somebody confirm, please? Music Lab, you talk about Discord. I told you to, I mean, comment your Discord link to any of my posts so that I can retweet it. Okay, I really don't understand these social media things, so I don't know how to post them or something. You just comment to my any of my tweet, I will repost it. Okay, if you can do that right now, I will do that. I will just repost it to my Twitter right now when I will be in live. Okay, so if you do that, if you can do that, and then let me know that you have commented the Discord link. So I will join to your Discord, and I will be there as a guest until I will see there are some people really interested to learn. I will be there. No worries. So please, I really don't know what is Discord is. I really don't know, but I will join over there because so many people actually asking for the Discord. I don't know what to say. Okay, so I will just move from Monday to Tuesday. Just let me go. This type of things is very difficult for me. So this is the okay. I will keep this equal highs, but thing is, I will mark Monday's highs with different color. Okay, so this is the Monday's high, and this is the Tuesday, I mean Friday's equal highs. Okay, and also I will mark the Monday's low. Now this is my range. Remember, guys, this high and this low. This is the Monday's range. Go to the 15-minute chart to mark the Tuesday's price action. That one. So, so this is the Tuesday's price action. I will tab over here. Okay. So now this range is Tuesday's range. Okay. This is Monday's high. This is Friday's high. I kept it because there is, you see, very relatively equal highs. That's why I kept it. But my main concern is Monday's high. That is my concern. I really care about this high. I don't care about this high. That is my concern. Okay. So, mm, okay, Martin. Thank you for the link here as well. Uh, Martin, actually, so many people are asking for the Discord. I really don't know what is that Discord type of things. I really don't know, but I saw that most of the people they ask for Discord. So I thought I have no time to make them. I mean, make a Discord account or something. So if it works, then it works. Otherwise, I don't know what to say. But as Mysticos, I mean, the music world is telling that he would like to make a Discord. Okay, no problem. Where is that? Okay, I got it now. And I will just remove the other things from here. I mean, I will just keep the Tuesday's price action over here. Okay. So this is now the Tuesday's price action. From our weekly bias, we know price will go lower. We know that. Okay. Very difficult things. So this is 9:30. Okay. I will talk from here. From our weekly bias, we know price will go lower. Now today is Tuesday. This is the day where we are expecting manipulation. What is manipulation? If your weekly bias is bearish, you will expect Tuesday will take the Monday's high. It will take the Monday's low as well. I don't know. I really don't know, and I really don't care about that. It will take the Monday, I mean the Monday's low or not. I really don't know. I really don't care. What I care about, it will take the Monday's high, at least the Monday's high. It will take that one. That is my concern, and that is my narrative. That is my everything. It will take Monday's high. When it will take Monday's high, I will expect it will go lower. How long it will go, I don't know, but it will go lower. That is my expectation. Okay. After taking the Monday's high, it will go lower. I would stick to YouTube. Discord is a closed space. Okay, Martin. So, okay, no problem. Good to go, guys. Hope to get back to you all some other time. Yeah, thank you, ICT, for giving your valuable time. We'll meet next time, brother. No problem. So, that is my expectation. Okay. So, that is 9:30. That is that specific candle is 9:30. Price is over here. What is your bias? What is your bias? Why? What do you think? Where price will go? I'm thinking price will go higher. Why? My weekly bias is low. I mean, market will go lower. So first thing first, whenever price is below the Monday's high, your expectation has to be it will go higher. Why this type of price action? This type of price action because we had a news. I don't remember when that news was, but that was because of the news, the sloppiness over there. But it should go higher and take the Monday's high. That should be your bias first. When you will see, if you see it is actually not going higher, it is going lower, what will you do? Will you take the sell? I wouldn't take the sell. Why? Because I know the narrative. Today is Tuesday, today is the manipulation day. My weekly bias is telling me market will go lower. How do you know about the weekly bias? I am doing this thing in every Sunday in live. So you can join over there. You will understand how to do the weekly bias. Okay. So when your weekly bias is bearish and you saw price is actually going lower in Tuesday after 9:30 opening, it is going lower. Will you take short? No. When you will say okay, it stopped there and started to go higher, you will look for buy. Until how long you will look for buy? Until the Monday's high isn't taken. When you will see Monday's high has been taken, then what should be your bias? Low. It will go lower. Will it continue to go higher? No, it won't continue to go higher. Why? It's because it has already done its job over here. Today's manipulation day. Today is not the day of expansion. I am not expecting expansion. I'm expecting manipulation. This is manipulation. It has taken Monday's high. Will it take these equal highs? It can do. I'm not sure, but I care about only the Monday side. Don't you forget this is the Monday side, okay? And this one I kept because that was relatively equal highs or equal highs, something like that. So I kept it over there because later it has actually taken this highs. But when it has taken the Monday's high, maybe you didn't get any setup over here. Okay, just think about that was very sloppy. You didn't get any setup. You saw price actually went above this Monday's high. What will you do? You will start looking for sell. Now, if you look for sell, was there any setup or not? It has taken the buy side liquidity. That was your buy side liquidity. It has given you the market structure shift. Just let me mark the market structure shift. Why this one is the market structure shift? You have to watch the video from my YouTube channel to how to mark the market structure shift. I think that will be great for you guys. It has to be a fair value gap over there. Now you can think I am just showing you this type of things after the price, but actually I'm not doing this. I did all of these things in live. I'm just showing you right now. Okay, so that is your market structure shift. That is your fair value gap. So when you will see price actually came first time to this fair value gap, you will take your entry. Okay, so your entry has to be over here. Where will be your stop loss? Above this high. And where will be your target? Some kind of relative equal lows. You can mark this low and this low. They are relatively equal low. So that should be your, I mean, target here. That should be your target. And you can see actually price uh, actually hit the sell side liquidity. But did I take this entry? No, I didn't take that entry. I actually took another entry. I don't remember, but I didn't take that entry because I can see it's near about 34 handle stop loss. I mean, or oh, okay, I no, I didn't take that entry. I didn't. I took another entry from somewhere here. I don't remember. It's so far already. I forgot. But whatever, that is your narrative. So you are working with your narrative. If you see market is actually going lower after 9:30 opening, it is going lower. Will you take sell or not? You will never take sell. Why? Because from weekly analysis, you know market is going lower. I mean market will go lower. So today's manipulation, it has to take the Monday's high. But if you see it failed to take the Monday's high, instead of that, it started to go lower. What will you do? You will just avoid that day. If you see it is just going lower, 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 and it never gave you any buy setup, you will just avoid that trading day. You don't need to take that entry in that day because your expectation is not matching with the price action. This is how you will read the price. This is how you will work with your narrative. This is the thing. If you don't understand this thing, you won't be able to trade. Trust me, brother. You won't be able to trade. So you have to understand. Actually, I took this entry, I think, because I can see this as the fair value gap. I mean, maybe I worked with this fair value gap. I don't remember. Whatever. So you have to work with your narrative this way. So when it has taken the buy side liquidity, you will wait for sell entry. Okay. And have shown you I forced the market to take a sell over there. What happened over there? I told you that I got stopped out. I mean, I saw here somewhere setup was over there. Maybe this candle was the setup. Yeah, so far I remember this candle was the setup. I forced market and I got stopped out over there for taking the sell. So never force the market, just go with the flow. If you get one winning trade, you won't take any other trade in that day. That is another psychological stuff. You have to control yourself. I don't care how beautiful this setup is, how beautiful the setup over here. I don't care. But you are not allowed to take another entry if you have already a winning trade in that specific day. You are not allowing to take another entry. If you take a losing entry, you will try to take another. Your target will be $100, only $100, not $101. No, on 100, exact on $100. If you lose $500, your next target has to be $500, not $550. $500, you just mitigate, just close your chart. Don't look at the chart next time. If you can mitigate your loss, you have no profit, I agree, but you have no loss as well. If you don't have any loss, the next day you will be full confident that okay, whatever I will earn today, that will be mine. that is not mitigating my loss. Now if you take a losing entry, I mean you got stopped out over there, so you tried another one more time. You maybe you just take another entry over there, and that one was also losing trade. What will you do? You will close yourself. No entry, no more entry that day, because price is actually not respecting your expectation. If you can control this thing, you will be profitable. Trust me, brother. I told you that sometimes I take two losing trade in a row. I do that. When I take a loss, I try to mitigate my loss. I take another loss, I close my chart. Not even the paper entry. I'm talking about the real money, okay? So if you do that, I really don't do even the paper trade as well, because I saw if I take one loss or two loss, and then if I continuously look at the chart, I forced myself to take another entry. Maybe that entry is also a loss. Then my head blown up. So don't do that, okay? That is also a psychological thing. You have to understand this. Now tell me, do you guys understand the Tuesday's price action or not? The Tuesday's narrative actually. Let me know. Then I will go Wednesday. I mean, to be honest, you have to give me the. I mean, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Any kind of doubt, you have to ask me. To from tomorrow, I will not have to go also. I will watch. No problem, Martin. We'll meet later. Okay, no problem. You can go, brother. Just let me know that you got the point from Tuesday. Then I will go Wednesday. Wednesday and Thursday. That is very simple. So it won't take much more time. I hope we can actually close our session very soon. Just let me know that you got the point from Tuesday. And don't forget to give me the like if you just join to my channel. I mean the streaming. Please give me the like. I really need the like. I think it's clear now. So okay, I got that point is okay, brother. Thank you, Martin. Oh, no problem, brother. We'll meet next time. Don't worry. So just try to complete the narrative, brother. That is really important. So we you got the point, and anyone else have any confusion? If you have any confusion, I will just clean that. Otherwise, I will go to the next day, next video. Okay. I mean, this done. Why is it Wednesday? This is the Wednesday. So now is the Wednesday. What will we do in Wednesday? We will go to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. Okay. This is the Wednesday. What is the first step in Wednesday? You have to mark the 50% of the previous week. So this is the 50% of the previous week. Let me mark it. I told you guys, if you don't remember, I'm just revising the thing for you. So this is the 50% of previous week, and this is the opening of this week. So don't forget these two lines. This line is the 50% of the previous week, and this line is the opening of this week. So we are in Wednesday. Okay, let's go to 15-minute chart. Now, do we care about the previous day's highs or previous day's low? No, I don't care about that, and I don't need this one as well. I will just remove this one. I really don't need that. Why? Because today is the expansion day. I am expecting the expansion only. Okay, so I will wait until the 9:30. Where is 9:30? Uh, uh, uh. Oh man, I get bored. So this is 9:30. This is 9:30. Remember these two line? This line from previous week 50%. This is the this week opening. What I told. If you see after 9:30 price is below this line, you will expect lower expansion. If you see price is above this line, you will expect higher expansion. If you see prices sorry, if you see the price is actually between these two line, what will you do? You will do nothing. I mean, if you see any kind of scalp, you can do that, but this concept you have to forget. I mean, when you will see prices below this two line, it will expand lower. If you see prices above this two line, you will expand higher expand. If prices inside this range, you have to forget about this concept only. Okay, you will use another concept, another trading style or trading strategy. This is kind of confluences. I mean, extra confluences. You are actually expecting lower run from your weekly analysis, and you can see price is actually below both of the lines. So it has increased your confidence that market will go lower. So I'll go to 1 minute chart now, and there is my 1 minute chart. Look, this is 9:30 opening, and it is actually going lower, lower, lower. It came below this low. What is this low? This is the this week opening. This is the last week consequent. I mean the 50%. Price is below this to both of this level. What should be your expectation? Market will go lower. Now you will start to look for a setup. How do you know what is your setup? That is different thing. I mean, you have to go to the 15-minute chart, then you have to look for any kind of setup. After 9:30, if you get a setup, you will take your entry. Maybe I can see actually where was the setup. I mean, it didn't give you the market structure shift over here. Nothing, no buy side liquidity has taken. So this is the first time when you have taken the buy side liquidity, but no market structure shift. It has taken this buy side liquidity. Do I have any market structure shift over here? No, I don't have any market structure shift over there. You see, this is not market structure shift. This is not your market structure shift. Why this is not your market structure shift? Because this low didn't trade any fair value gap. It has a higher low on its left, but you don't have any higher low. I mean, higher low on its right. So this is not valid market structure shift. Guys, this is very important. Okay, so it went above again. It has taken this buy side liquidity. Sorry, here it has taken this buy side liquidity, and now you got your market structure shift over here. If you just mark this low or this low, if you want to mark any of this low, you can mark it. You can mark this low as your market structure shift. This is your market. Look what I am showing you here. When price came into this 9:30 opening, it went lower. After now, what should you look for first? You have to look for some kind of buy side liquidity. Price went lower, it went higher. Did it take any kind of buy side liquidity? No. It went lower, it was consolidating over here, it went higher again. This is the first time price has taken the buy side liquidity. See, it has taken all of this buy side liquidity. Maybe from this buy side liquidity, it has taken all of the buy side liquidity. Now, what should you look for next? You have to look for market structure shift. Did it give you any market structure shift over here? No. Instead of that, it went higher again. When it went higher again, it has taken again the buy side liquidity. Did it give you any market structure shift? No. I already explained why this is not, I mean, valid market structure shift. I already explained. So it didn't give you any market structure shift. So you will wait. It went again above to this buy side liquidity. It has taken this buy side liquidity on more time. Until now, is there any selling opportunity? I don't see any selling opportunity until now. Now, this time it has taken the sell side, I mean the buy side liquidity, and it has given me the market structure shift over here. If you mark this as your market structure shift, then there is no fair value gap. So I don't mark that one as my market structure shift. Instead of that, this one I will mark as my market structure shift. Now you can ask me, brother, why this one is your market structure shift? Look, I have a lower high on my left, I have a lower high on my right, or you can see so many lower high on my right. On my left also I have some, I mean one lower high actually. So it has it has made the eligibility to being the market structure shift swing low. So that is my market structure shift. Now where is your fair value gap? This is your fair value gap. Where do you take your entry? You will take your entry over there. Where will be your stop loss? Your stop loss has to be above this swing high. Where should be your, I mean, profit target? Expansion day means it will go and expand lower. It will go and expand lower. So you will put your stop loss, I mean the target profit, some place where you think it will be good. I mean it will be good for you. Okay, this is the expansion day. You have to understand the theme. Wednesday is the expansion day, so you are expecting expansion. You saw price is actually expanded from there. It went lower. It went lower, 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 lower. It just went lower. So that is the expansion. Whenever price went higher, you see this has actually went higher. Will you take your buy? No, I won't take my buy. Why? Because my expectation is it will go only low, not high. It it just gave you the sell setup. It has taken the buy side liquidity over here. It has given you market structure shift. There is no fair value gap, so no entry. But if you mark this one as your market structure shift, it has traded this fair value gap, went lower. It has again take the buy side liquidity from here, gave you the market structure shift. This is your fair value gap. Just let me mark the thing over here. This is the PM session setup actually. So that is your, I mean, if you just mark this one as your market structure shift or this one, both are the same. That is your market structure shift. Why is it market? And where is your fair value gap? There is your fair value gap. You will take your sell over there. Take your sell over there. Where should be your stop loss? Above this high. Okay. And where will be your stop loss? I mean, you can just put your stop loss depending on the fib as well if you want. Let me show you. So look how beautifully it has traded the standard deviation of what deviation? 2, -2. So you can put your stop loss at -2 or 1, -1, -1.5, whenever is it is. I mean that is the money management. It's up to you. It's totally up to you. Okay. So I'm so sorry. I'm doing stuff. I can't follow the live, but I you don't erase, and I'm coming in 2 hours. No problem, brother. I will never erase anything from my channel. Okay. So don't get me confused. I mean I will never erase something. So you can use the fib because we are expecting the lower run only. So how many lower run you got in on Wednesday, one day? See, whenever it went higher, it has taken some buy side liquidity, gave you very nice market structure shift. You got a sell setup. Whenever it has done this, you got a sell setup. Look over here. It has taken the buy side liquidity over here. It has given you the market structure shift. There is yeah, okay. So there is your fair value gap. If you take your short over there, it has taken this sell side liquidity. I mean, I'm talking about this entry as well. If you take your entry over there, that should be your stop loss, and that equal loss will be your target. So that is your, also that is your I mean the entry. Okay. So this is after I mean this is the 4. So our entry has done over here. This price action we don't care because this is after 4. So that is the expansion there. All we expect is the expansion, nothing else, only the expansion. Now if price went higher, I mean after this expansion, if it started to go higher, will you take buy? I will not take buy. I will wait. If it went higher, never give me a sell setup. I will never take an entry. This is simple, guys. Is it clear to you or not? Okay, let me know. Wednesday always an expansion day, or just in context when Monday was expansion day? Actually, brother, I talked about that before. Wednesday and Thursday is actually the accumulation, I mean the expansion day, and we expect the perfecting. Okay, most of the time, not 100% of the time, but most of the time you will see the expansion in Wednesday and Thursday most of the time. Okay, I'm not telling you will get this every time. Most of the time you will see the expansion in Wednesday and Thursday, and Monday as well as accumulation phase. Tuesday is the manipulation phase. Wednesday, Thursday, the how to say the expansion phase, and Friday it will come back into the range. Okay? So is it clear to you guys? Let me know that you got the point. Wednesday 101. Let me check this one. Market structure. I think you're talking about this this market structure shift, Obi. This is the low. This is the lowest low. If you see, it has a swing. I mean, higher low on its right, higher low on its left. It has met that eligibility. So whenever you will see the lowest low, it doesn't need to. You don't need to look at the price over here, okay? Because you will see some low, I mean higher low on your right, you will see some higher low on your left. That is why that is the market structure shift. I mean the swing low, which is eligible for shifting the market structure. And I think you talked about this low also. I mean, did you talk about this low? If you talk about this low, I mean this is the low. It has the lower, I mean higher low on its left. It has so many higher low on its left. Look at this low. It has swing low on its right. It has swing low, I mean higher low on its left. Both of the side it has that. So it is also eligible. It's simple, brother. I mean, I think it's clear. If it's not clear, just let me know. Okay, thanks. So, Remigius, okay, so you guys got the point from Wednesday or not? Let me know, okay? Just write it down. You got the point from Wednesday's narrative. How do you expect? If you see anything, I mean, anything else, I mean, which is against your expectation, you will avoid taking entry. That is psychology. It is all related, brother. If you are expecting lower run, but you have seen that very nice higher run setup, look at this setup. How beautiful this setup is. It has taken the sell side liquidity. It has given you very nice market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. You will take your, if you want to take your entry over here to this specific candle, your stop loss may be somewhere here. Just for example, okay. So this is your profit. I mean the entry. How beautiful is that? You will take that entry? No. Why? Because this is psychology. You don't know it will go over there or not, because your narrative is telling you market will go lower. So you will only wait for the sell, not for the buy. That is the thing, brother. I'm trying to tell you. If you can control your emotion in that type of case, see how beautiful this setup is. Whenever you can control this type of things on, I mean, you can work on his psychology, you will be the winner. If you don't believe me, you can try. Got the point from Wednesday. Thank you, Ovi. So I just joined. How do I identify the week open? Week open, very simple, brother. Just go to the weekly chart. This is the weekly. This is the week open. Very simple, brother. Just go weekly chart. Mark the open of the week. Simple thing. So I will go to the guys. Do you? I mean, I need one or two more confirmation that you guys got the. I mean, uh, point how to trade in Wednesday. Please let me know. Then I will go for Thursday. Okay. Just let me know. It's very important for me that you guys are responding. You guys are writing it down. That you are getting the point. That is really helpful for me to understand that you guys are getting the point. Otherwise, I don't know how to understand the things. Okay, so please let me know that you guys get the point. Okay? Please write it down that you got the point. Then I will talk about the Thursday. No problem. An ordinary guy. Is this your first day? I mean, I would like to talk about with you. I mean, I would like to. Okay, Hans. Thank you, Ronnie. Thank you, Ronnie Gonja. Ronnie Gonja, you are also new today. I didn't see your face. An ordinary guy and Ronnie, both of you are, I think, new. I mean, I didn't see your. I would like to talk to you for sometimes. Then I will continue because I'm getting bored. I don't know why, but I'm just getting bored. So I want to talk to you for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Then I will continue Thursday and Friday. If you don't get mind, I mean, if you don't think this is irrelevant, then I really would like to talk to you. I mean, just ask me something or just talk to me. Or just give me some messages. I really would like to talk to you. I mean, outside of the price action, then I promise I'll just complete the session within 5 to 10 minutes. Just talk to me for some time, please. A request, please. This guy is requesting you. Okay. What I'm doing over here is actually clearing the narrative. And to be honest, brother, from today, I will never talk about this narrative again. I mean, maybe sometimes I will talk about the narrative, but not this. I mean, this is the thing I'm going to clear the way. I will not clear this narrative again. Now, why you need this narrative? You need this narrative. It's because if you don't know what is narrative actually, narrative is you know your bias. Your bias is bearish. That is your bias. Then what is narrative? How price will react in a specific day according to your bias. That is narrative. You have to know where price can go. What should be the price range? What should be its range? If you don't know that, then you will be disaster. Trust me. Nobody is interested to talk to me. I mean, nobody gave me any kind of message. So I think everybody, can you give me some like or something? Don't forget to give me the like and just give me the like. And if you are really not interested to talk to me, I can get it. I know. I'm a very bad guy. I know that. That's why you don't give me any message or you didn't write anything. You are thinking, this guy, why you don't stop streaming right now? We have we have work to do. I know, brother. I have also work to do. No problem, ordinary guy. But let me know that is this your first day of trading or not? I mean, to my live streaming or not? Just let me know that you are new or not. I'm wasting your time. I know that, but please, guys, I need to talk to you for at least 2 minutes. Please talk to me. Then I will continue price action. I'm getting bored. If you don't want to talk to me, I also don't want to talk to you. Why always price action, price action, price action? Sometimes you should ask me something outside of the price action. I am a human being. I'm not a robot. See, nobody is interested. Okay, Ronnie. I think I didn't read your comment before. Avi, what is your question? Let me know your question and talk to me. Please talk to me. Please talk to me outside of the price action. We're listening. Go on. Maybe just yeah. I know you guys are listening, but talk to me for sometimes outside of the price action. I mean, I want to talk to you guys. I want to know about you guys. I mean, to whom I am talking to whom I am teaching. I really don't know. I know some of you actually, but not all of you. Don't forget to give me the like in the meantime. So I will talk, but I will finish this. Before that, I need to talk to you. I need to know about you, okay? Little bit. Just say something or ask me something outside of the price action. I'm giving it to you. By anyhow, I'm just giving it to you. Don't think I'm just let me know that until now, do you guys understand the narrative? How do you expect the price action? If you know how to expect the price action, is there any other fence that will stop you to take the profitable entry? This is how I get confidence. I took my entry. I am the profitable trader. This is the way, because only narrative, this narrative will help you to be profitable. Only this narrative is the, I mean, entry I am showing you every day how to take entry, but the narrative, this is the main theme of trading. Okay. I'll Facebook you. Can I? You will Facebook me? I mean, can you consider new day opening of Wednesday as parabolic break? No, we can't do that. We can't do that. New day opening gap is the kind of parabolic gap which is much more stronger than this type of parabolic gap. This type of parabolic gap is nothing compared to new day opening gap or opening gap. Okay. If you go with the serial, you have to mark one in number one is new week opening gap, then new day opening gap, then opening gap, after that this type of normal parabolic gap. Okay. Okay, new guys. So you are here with with the new, I mean, the best entry pattern. Brother, I am not showing you the entry pattern. I'm sorry, brother. You will understand the entry pattern by yourself. I am not going to show you the entry pattern because I think this is your first day. So don't think that I am not showing you. I talk about the I mean the best entry every day. Okay, but today I really do not want to show you the entry pattern. This is out of the topic. I mean the entry pattern. If you just watch my previous stream or my videos, I have already uploaded a video today. Please check that out. That is the best entry pattern. I mean, until now I have taught you the thing, you will get that that. Okay, just today I have uploaded a video. You can check that how to get the direction from 50-minute chart and execute your entry to the 1-minute chart, something like that type of title. So watch that video. That is kind of entry pattern, I mean the entry setup. And best entry point, everything you will get over there. Okay, that is what is the goal of your life. The goal of my life is to travel all over the world. That is the goal, to be honest. And when I will travel all over the world, I need at least one person who will I mean who will be happy to see me with him. If I go to just let me clear it, if I go to India, I think I really got a person like Obi. And if I tell Obi that Obi, I'm coming Kolkata, I think he will be happy to meet with me. If I go to Nigeria, maybe I will call Domino, or I think the digital. I'll call them, brother, I'm coming Nigeria. I think they will be happy to meet with me. If I go to Germany, maybe Martin will meet with me. Like this way, I want someone in every corner of this world who will be profitable trader. If you are not profitable trader, you won't be happy to meet with me. But if you can earn, I told you, 200,000 plus US dollar, if you can earn that, you will be happy. Automatically you will be happy to meet with me. That is my goal, to make you the winner of 200K. Okay, when I will make that to you, you will be happy to meet with me, and I will be happy to travel all over the world. That is my target, that is my goal. Okay, I'm a new subscriber. I just come across your video today, sir. I would like to know if price always go back to the 50% of MSS. um Ordinarily, actually, I don't see the thing like that way. Yeah, just let me show you some. Can you watch the video from today? I have uploaded a video today. The same thing I told you, right? You will understand actually. I don't mark, I mean, I don't look like that way. I saw some people actually do this type of things. Let me show you. So this is the market structure shift leg, and this is the 50%. They told you the fair value gap above the 50%. So if you can take your entry over there, that will be the perfect entry. But I really don't look at the price like that way. Instead of that, what I look for that, I'll let me show you. Okay, just let me show you, because this one I have already, maybe today's video I showed it to you, or if I don't show it to you today's video, you will get this tomorrow's video. Let me show you. You will get that. Okay, the explanation I have already given my video. You will get that. That is why I took this entry, why this is the best entry. You will get everything. Now, what I actually look for when I take entry, what I look for, this is my sell side liquidity, this is my market structure shape. Look, this is my market structure. I asked you guys to ask me something outside of the price action, and you guys are actually asking the same thing. Oh man. So whatever I was kidding. So when I got the market structure shift, I start to look from the beginning of the leg. Okay, beginning of the leg. Look from here. Where is your first fair value gap? There is your first fair value gap. I love to mark that fair value gap as my breakaway gap. That means my expectation is market will never come back to this fair value gap. I mean, before taking the buy side liquidity. Then I look for the second fair value gap. Where is your second fair value gap? There is your second fair value gap. Okay. I explained it to my video. Please watch that video. You will understand what I am actually talking about. If it is not from today's video, you will get it from tomorrow's video. Okay. And then there is my buy side liquidity. You can see the very clean highs. I always look for my drawn liquidity for clean highs. And that is my buy side liquidity. I took this entry and I uploaded it to my I mean the Twitter. My stop loss will be below this breakaway gap. Everything I explained over there, that should be my target. So you can see the way I actually take my entry. Now I'm giving you another example because I remember these things I have done today. Actually, that's why I remember that. Look, it has taken the why I have taken this buy. You will understand if you watch that video. I mean the video I will upload today or I mean tomorrow or I have already uploaded. I don't remember. So that is the sell side liquidity has taken over there. That is my market structure shift. Okay, let me shift market structure shift. Now I will start to look for the fair value gap from beginning. Look, where is my first fair value gap? Look. So I got this one as my first fair value gap. This one. I'm telling you why that one is not. This is my I mean first fair value. Why this one is not my fair value gap? You have to watch that video. Okay. So if you watch that video, you will understand why I didn't mark that video as my I mean first fair value gap. You have to watch that video. I can't tell you everything because then you will not watch that video. I'm not going to tell you everything over here. So that is my fair value gap over here. You remember how did I take my entry over here? I'm doing the same thing over here as well. I'm going to take my entry to this fair value gap. My stop loss will be just below the breakaway gap. Why below the breakaway gap? Why not just below the constant encroachment? Everything I explained on that video. Okay. And where will be my target? My target will be above this equal highs. Why this is my equal highs? I explained it as well to my uh, video. You have to watch that video. So that is my entry. Now I really don't look at over here. This is my leg, right? The market structure shift leg. Let me just mark the 50. Okay. So this is the 50%. I took this entry above the 50%. And look over here. This is the I mean the market structure shift leg. I took this entry below the 50%. Do you think this 50% concept is I mean is it working over here and here? In my opinion, it is not working. Okay. Instead of that, what I look for the fair value gap, the two fair value gap. Okay, that is the thing I look for. Okay, brother. I hope you got the point. I mean, your question you got it. Whatever. Okay, so uh, 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 uh. I'm new subscriber. Okay, I think an ordinary guy you got your answer. If it is clear, let me know. Okay, brother. I was focused on favorable breakaway gaps, equal highs or lows, but I realized narrative is all just backtest. If we don't have narrative, we don't have nothing. Absolutely, Hans. Absolutely, brother. If you don't have narrative, you have nothing. You are actually gambling. Absolutely, brother. Now, I don't know, digital is over here or not. If digital is still over here, please tell me who is the other guy in YouTube who gave you this narrative, this type of things, who is what is important, what is the main thing, who told you, who explained everything like me. I am doing this and maybe I'm going to lose you guys. Maybe when you will understand everything, you will after trust me, after not 3 months, after 2 months, you will never need me again. Never ever. You will be best in one strategy. You will be the best of the best. You will be best of the best in one strategy that will be enough for earning real money. If you don't trust me, just ask yourself what is your development for one month only. Whenever I started to talk about fair value gap and the narrative, just ask yourself about your development. Maybe you can't see this in the market right now. It will take little more time. You need to backtest, you need to watch the chart, then you will be confident about everything. But just ask yourself how much development you have made by watching only 1 month with me, by staying with me for 1 month. After 2 months, you will never need me again, and you will actually unsubscribe me. Maybe unsubscribe me. Maybe you will stop watching my video. I will lose my viewers. I really don't care about the viewers. I care about your success. Because if you are success, I can go to you. If I can go to you, I will be a friend. I will have a friend who will show me his country. I can show his. I mean I can see his country with him. That is my target, brother. I really love to travel. I have already traveled 31 countries all over the world. So that is actually my goal. Come to Angola. Ronnie, actually, where is Angola? I really don't know, but I'll try to go over there. I mean, I'll find the Angola. Is that obviously? Please come to Kolkata. Okay, no problem. Okay, I will go. Don't worry, brother. One question: how to make valid buy side, sell side liquidity? Nura, I didn't get your question, brother. Don't forget Peru. Okay, Peru. Peru. I went Peru. No, I didn't. I will go Peru. It's very beautiful country, brother. I have a target to go to Peru. Uh, but I will meet you with you when you will earn 200K. That is for obvious. Okay? Before earning 200K, I'm not going to meet any of you. After whenever, please guys, this is a request. Please don't forget me. Whenever you will earn 200K, you will count that. You please give me a message, okay? I mean, in my Twitter, you can give me a message, brother. I have earned 200K. So you are eligible to meet with me now. You are permitted to meet with me because you are in the session now. So you can take that trade. I will take that trade in that time. Okay. Anyway, okay. So everyone is really serious about. Yeah, everyone is very serious about the price action. Mm, guys, done this and this could go. Okay, I have to go for a moment. Thanks, brother, for your work. No problem, brother. Yeah, later I will just complete the Thursday and Friday because that is not so important. So I'm just spending some time to talk to you. It will take maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So when you will come back, you can just watch the rest of the video and it will be clear. Okay. Thank you, Roy. Is in Africa. Oh man, Africa. I love Africa. I really love Africa. I will go Africa. I have so many people from Africa. I mean, so many brothers from Africa. So I will go. Obviously, I will go in Africa only, inshallah. Think I'm from South Africa. See, an ordinary guy, he's also from South Africa. I mean, no, South Africa. Yeah, it is in Africa. So I'll go over there. It's like a little bit long to reach. No problem, brother. Uh, right, you are in Saudi Arab. Okay, so maybe next time I will go over there because I have to go for Hajj with my mother. I have to go for the Hajj. I will try to contact with you. In the meantime, you have to tell me that no, brother, I am not from India, so I can't trade in Indian market. I only trade Nasdaq and E-mini S&P, no other market. Just E-mini S&P and um, Nasdaq. Okay, don't forget to give me the like, please. That is a request. So I will go to the Thursday market. Okay, so this is the Thursday market. I'll just show you the thing over in Thursday market. Look, this is the Thursday market. Okay, all of this price action from here. This is the Thursday. What is our expectation in Thursday? It is the continuation of the expansion. In Wednesday, we saw market went lower. So what should be your expectation? Market will go much more lower. Okay, that is our expectation in Thursday. Look what price did. It came a little bit lower. It started to go higher. It is going higher, going higher. Now think you don't know the later price action. So you are seeing market is going higher before 9:30. It is going higher. So what do you think? Will you think that market is actually going higher to take some kind of specific thing? It is going higher? No, you can't think like that way. You have to expect market will go lower. Why you will expect that? Because you know the narrative from Thursday. In Thursday, you have to expect the continuation of the expansion from Wednesday. Wednesday we saw lower run. Thursday we will expect lower run. If you remember, if you were with me in Twitter, you already know that I marked this sell side liquidity, and ICT also took the same sell side liquidity for his entry, and I was with you guys in live, so there was no chance to see this entry. I mean to copy this entry from ICT, but I explained you why I am expecting the lower run, and later actually I showed you how to take the entry from this fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap. So it has actually, okay, sorry, not this one is the breakaway gap. Sorry, I'm sorry. That one was the breakaway gap, and this one was the entry. That was the entry. I told you, if you remember or not, I don't know. That should be your entry over there. Oh, okay, just here. You have to put your stop loss just above the breakaway gap, and your target has to be this equal low. Why you are expecting lower run? It's because today is the expansion, I mean continuation of the expansion. Okay, so there was the first entry over here, over there. That was their first entry, and your stop loss has to be above this high. Your target has to be this relatively equal lows. You see this equal lows. I always mark. I mean I mark my drawn liquidity equally. Okay, I mean if I see equal lows or equal highs, I mark them as my liquidity. Otherwise I don't go for single lows or single highs. I never go for them. So that was the entry. I mean the first entry was over there, the second entry was over here. There was much more entry over here. You can see it has taken the buy side liquidity again, gave you the market structure shift. It has traded the fair value gap over here. If you I took this entry as well. I put it to my Twitter. I took my entry over here. I put my stop loss over there, and I actually marked the. Let me just show you. I used the fib for my target. I put my fib for my target, and so far I remember I took for 1.5. Okay, but it actually came the lowest. I mean the 3 minus 3. It came over here later, but I was over here in the lunch time. I saw this entry. I took that in Thursday. So that was another entry, and this is the way. Okay, if you see it is going higher, will you take buy? No, you will not take buy. Why? You know the expansion will happen in Thursday as well. We will see the continuation. Why I am expecting lower expansion? Because my weekly bias is bearish. Price will go lower. How do you know how to analyze the weekly bias? I will show it to you. I'm showing it to you for last 3 weeks. Every week I'm showing you how to do the weekly bias. So I will try to show it to you tomorrow as well. I will do the weekly analysis tomorrow, and you will learn, like you are learning this narrative. You will learn the weekly analysis or daily bias analysis. Everything you will learn. But I need time, right? You have to give me some time. Otherwise, I can tell you everything in one time. So do you guys understand the theme of Thursday? Let me know. Brother, you trade in AMP, right? No, brother, I am not trading AMP right now. I have maybe $500 or 400. I forgot. 500, maybe $550 in my AMP account. I'm actually I will start self funding account. I will quit the prop firm. I really don't like prop firm anymore. So I will actually trade my self funded account in AMP. Right now I don't have enough money in AMP. I will start with $10,000. Okay, so that is my target. I think when I will complete teaching over here to the YouTube, I will start live trading in AMP. And my expectation is I will start from $10,000. And please let me know that you guys got the point from Thursday. If you see prices actually going higher, 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 What will you do? Will you take your entry to the buy? No, that is psychology. If you see it started to go lower with a very nice setup, you will take the short. If you get stopped out, you can be stopped out. It will work every time? No, it will never work every time. But most of the time, 90% of the time, you will see it reacts to, I mean, as you are expecting. It will react like that way, okay? So that is the theme, guys. I saw it has taken the sell side liquidity, it has given me market structure shift, it has there is very nice fair value gap. Will I take the buy over there? No, I will never take the buy. My narrative is telling me market will go lower. I will go with my narrative. If price doesn't match with my narrative, I have no trade. Try to understand the simple thing. Why you guys make this very complicated? It is not complicated. It is very easy. But the thing is, you guys force the market. You go 4 hour chart, you go on hour chart, 30-minute chart, daily chart, weekly chart. You go everywhere. You force the market to give you the setup. You don't need. I can trade in 1 minute chart. I don't need to go any other chart. 1 minute chart, I will get at least 7 to 8 entry out of 10 winning entry. I can do that. If you just give me 15 minute chart, that is enough for me. The 15-minute chart is more than enough for me. I don't need any other time frame. Just 15-minute chart and 1 minute chart. I will do my analysis in 15-minute chart. I will execute my entry to 1 minute chart. Yesterday I gave you the proof to my Twitter. If any of you over here who was with me in Twitter, you know that. I showed you the result from yesterday, and if still it is in Twitter. You can see I can do the scalp whole day. I took 27 winning entry in my life in one day. 27 winning entry. To be honest, if you don't believe me, just go to my Twitter and see what I have done yesterday. Just watch that, okay? But I really don't want you to do that. I want you to understand the narrative first, to understand how to trade perfectly. When you will understand these things, you can do anything you want. You don't need to wait for the session. You don't need to wait for the news. You will understand how it will work. Right now, you are not ready. That's why I gave you so many restrictions. I don't know, guys. Sometimes maybe you get angry. Why this guy always tell us not to take entry now, not to take entry then? Why you tell this guy told us like that? Every other YouTubers don't talk like that way, but why he talk like that way? It's because you are not ready to take entry every time you saw the setup. Ovi, you told me that. So what I understand that I have to skip one or two setup first, then I will take my entry. No, look over here. What is price doing? It has given me the setup over here. If you watch the video I have uploaded, you will understand. It has given me setup over here. I can read the price from there. I can take this entry. I have taken this entry. I have uploaded the video as well. You will find that to my YouTube or also to my Twitter. When it is actually reacting with my expectation. See, it is reacting with my expectation. It has taken the sell side liquidity, given me the market structure shift. It is rejected from the consequent, I mean the fair value gap. It is going higher, higher, higher. This is 930. It is started to go lower. I didn't take this entry because that was very huge stop loss. I mean 47 handle. I have no. I mean I am not able to take this entry. Though if I would take this entry, I never put my entry over there. I tried to took my entry to the breaker. That was the breaker, very clean breaker, and I would put my stop loss above this this candle's close. Okay, I mean the green candle's close. I would put my stop loss over there, somewhere here, okay, and my entry would be somewhere here. That would be my entry. So still that is 26 handle, but I really prefer 10 to 15 handle. I really prefer that. Okay. So that is the thing, guys. If you understand how to read the price action before, you are able to take this entry. But right now, you can't read this. You will actually force the market to behave like you you are asking. Okay, I don't know it is clear or not. You are not ready to read printed price. That's why I told you to read future price because you can't force over there. You have to act with the price. That is why I'm telling you not to take your entry right now. Wait at least 3 months. Don't even put this thing, not paper money, not this thing. If you can do that, After 3 months, you will be a free bird. If you don't believe me, you will lose the opportunity, okay, to be the best trader all over the world. You will be the you will lose that opportunity. So they okay, okay, I meet you. Okay, no problem, new. And what sir, should my low time frame entries be determined by my high time? Obviously, obviously on ordinary guy, obviously. Brother, just watch today's video I have uploaded. Just let me show you, okay? Just watch this video. It is very important. If you don't watch this video, you will not get the point, okay? Let me show. Sorry, but I have to show it to you. Look at this video. Easy ICT strategy. Use 15-minute chart direction in and 1 minute chart execution. Okay, this video. Please, this is a request to all of you guys. Please watch this video. You will understand how to execute in 1 minute chart depending on the 15-minute analysis. And you will always look for this entry. And tomorrow I'm gonna upload another video. You have to watch that video as well. Okay. So these two video you will see. And that is my request to you guys. Not for my views, to be honest, brother. That is not for my views. That is for you guys. Now it's up to you. I don't know what to say. So Thursday, Bitcoin, no brother, no Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be zero very soon. It is going to be zero, so there will be nothing called Bitcoin very soon. So we know about USD clear. Thank you, brother. You open an MPM account from Bangladesh. I opened it from Portugal. From Bangladesh. I don't know is it legal or illegal from Bangladesh, but I opened it from Portugal. Everything I connected with my Portugal account. And consider Thursday as reversal day. No, we can't consider Thursday as a reversal day. Thursday is the continuation of the expansion. I mean, if you see the expansion in Wednesday, you will expect that Thursday will continue that reversal. I mean that continuation. Okay, that should be your expectation. But price go reverse? I mean, can price reverse? Yeah, it can reverse. It can do that. But you can't expect reversal from I mean in Thursday. Okay, Ronnie. Rahul Pal. Okay, sir, no problem, Rahul. We also from Portugal. It is legal? Yeah, from Portugal it is legal. I mean, you can trade Portugal from Portugal. Okay. So now is the last day. I mean, the Friday. What should be your expectation in Friday? No problem, new. Okay. Sorry, not this chart. I will go to. Okay, 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 okay. So how to identify liquidity and market direction? Oh man, what are you talking about right now, Rahul? Have you just joined later? I mean, you have just joined now? Because last 2 hours I'm talking about the direction where market will go. Now you are asking me how to identify market direction. Oh man, you have to watch whole video from the beginning. Sorry, brother. And market liquidity, I always mark equal highs or equal lows for my drawn liquidity. Always, okay? Just equal highs or equal lows for drawn liquidity. And market direction, you have to watch the whole video. I mean, whole stream from the beginning. So this is the Friday. What will you expect in Friday? After expansion, you will expect if price went lower, little bit much more lower, it has to come back again the range. What is your range? From this low to this high. This is your range now. What was your expectation in Monday? Monday expectation is it will stay inside the Friday range. Only the Friday range. Try to understand guys what is the difference. The Monday's price action has to be happen inside the Friday range. And what should be your Friday range expectation? Friday range expectation has to be whole week. Okay, so it will not go lower than Thursday low. It can't go above the Monday or Tuesday's high. Okay, if it come little bit lower and take the sell side liquidity, it is acceptable, but it has to come back again to this range. Do you guys getting it or not? In Monday, it will be inside the only Friday range. In Friday, it it has the range from the low of the week and the high of the week. That is your range. Don't get confused. That is your range. Okay. Let me go to the 15 minute chart. This is 15 minute chart. Okay. Where is 9:30? Let me mark the 9:30. So this is 9:30. Look, price came here. It started to go lower. When it is going lower, it came here. Is it Thursday? Sorry, I'm sorry, brother. It's really Thursday. I am looking for Friday. Where is Friday? Here is Friday. So this is 9:30. Okay. So I saw prices going higher. Okay, I'm happy. See that it is going higher. When it went higher, I have very big range above here. There is something else over here. Let me go to the another market. So that will be easier for you and for me to describe and for understand. Okay. So 15 minutes. So many line over here. I know. I know. So here is the price action. You can see this is the last fair value gap. I am teaching this to you. This is the last fair value gap. It should hold the price. If it failed to hold the price will go higher. So I will actually depend on this fair value gap for seeing the higher up. And in Friday, we actually see some kind of this type of price action, no expansion. Though it has a very long, long place to go higher, but it really don't go that type of big run. No expansion there. Remember, Friday is the range bound day. Range bound day, okay? If it went lower than the Thursday low, it will come back again into the range. If it went higher and take some kind of buy side liquidity, it will come back again to the range. That is the thing. In Friday, when it came here, I told you it will go higher. When it came here, I told you it will go lower. And at the beginning of this video, I told you why I was expecting and why I have tweeted to to look for the sell side liquidity. Okay, I I I showed it to you. Look over here. I'll just show it to you. Look over here. Mark your buy side. Okay, I gave it to you at 12. Mark your buy side. I told you to mark the buy side liquidity, and then I gave you this entry. This was the entry from yesterday. I took my entry over there, and I closed my entry over there. If you go to my Twitter, you can see this live execution. This live execution. Maybe I have uploaded this live execution. Yeah, I have done all of them to my Twitter yesterday. So all of these things, please ignore this because I did this because some of you actually, I don't know he's here or not. He actually messaged me something I really don't like. Okay, so he messaged me. That's why I did that type of thing. I showed him that how many times I can take entry over there. Whatever, just I showed you when price was over here. I told that is mark your buy side liquidity, and later price actually went over there. When market was over here, I told that please mark your sell side liquidity. Price came here, and oh, you were over there, right, brother? Please make write something so that these guys can know that I did this, that. Otherwise, they will think I am showing them the hindsight. But actually, I did all of these things beforehand. Okay, so that should be your expectation in Friday. No expansion. When I saw a very big run over here, I got confident that it will come back again lower. When it very fast it came here, I got confident it will go higher. Why? I am not expecting the expansion. What is expansion? Expansion is like this. When lower, little retracement, lower, little retracement, lower. See, this is the expansion. Uh, but I am not expecting that type of expansion in Friday. I am expecting some kind of range bound area. It will come back into the range. Okay. Okay, it is a big Friday range, so it can go down or up. So no really bias for this. Yeah, no really bias for Friday. So always be, I mean, be careful in Friday. In my opinion, the last hour is the safest place. I mean, the 3:15 to 3:45 p.m. New York local time is the safest place to take entry in Friday. Before that, uh, that is my opinion. Okay, brother, don't take it personal. That is my opinion. It is really so hard to take entry in Friday, even for those who really very good at uh, trading. Okay, so I think you got the point. Except it looks the sell side liquidity. No, there is nothing related with the sell side liquidity. Narrative is everything. If you see some kind of sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity, look over here. It has this sell side liquidity, but it never takes that. It came to the new day opening gap and it consolidate over there. It went higher. It has taken, though it has taken this buy side liquidity. There's something else I explained yesterday, and that is actually another thing not related with the narrative. So if you are with me, you already know what I am talking about. But whatever. Uh, so this is the price action, and Ovi, you told me that why it went higher. So I will upload a video, and I told you to look the retracement from here. Okay, Ovi. I told you that the retracement actually done over here. So when price came here, that was our entry setup. That should be our entry setup, and um, I think if you watch the video, I will upload tomorrow. It will be much more clear. Okay, this is the another price action, something else. Okay, neuro and okay, so neuro by time zone. What time zone, brother? I mean, what is the time zone? Yes, no. Thank you, Obi, for confirming that I did it yesterday beforehand. To say everything before it happens. Thank you, brother, for confirming that. Vamsi, Jim, good morning. Well, long live stream. We'll watch it beginning later. Now join live stream. Vamsi, it is the boring thing in my life to watch the live streaming repeat telecast. To be honest, brother, I don't know how do you guys manage this. But if I were you, I could never get that type. I mean, of concentration or passion. Nothing. Okay. But if you can just watch the video, it will be helpful because I talked about the narrative today and how actually use the narrative. I talked all about that. So I talked yesterday about this price action. It is all about because of uh, the news, the choppiness, or about for the news. As no, no, sorry, not over there. Here, this is the choppiness because of the news. How do we use the price action over here? I talked about them. How we expected the setup over here. I I showed it to you guys how to take this entry. Everything I showed it to you. You guys can check them to my Twitter. I did this already beforehand. Don't think I am just showing it to you here handside. So where was the entry? That was where was the entry? That was the entry point. Okay, okay. Don't get angry on me. I'm gonna close the and the liquidity should be here somewhere. I think that was the relatively equal lows over there. That should be your target. That is the first entry. I took another entry over here depending on the price action. I explained how precise price was over there. My stop loss was just above this high, maybe 0.5 tick above this high. It didn't hit my stop loss, and then it went lower again. I took so many entry over here. That was another thing, and then finally I have taken my buy over here when I have seen the price action was working over there. So I took a buy depending on this fair value gap at the last hour. Okay, if you are with me in my Twitter, I have taken this buy as well. and my target was above this high. There was another reason for marking that high, but that was the buy. Okay, I was confident that market will go higher instead of going lower after all of this price action. And when price was over here, I was confident that market will go lower. I did it, and I tweeted it beforehand. You can watch them, okay, to my Twitter. You can check it. If you guys doubt me, then you can check it. Otherwise, if you love me, you can just do it. Okay, I'm just kidding. It's everything before I thank you, V. Good morning, KV is better. Thank you so much for your time. No problem, Ronnie. After news, how many time we have to wait before trade? It's better if you have a news in the morning session to leave the morning session. I mean, no trade for the morning session. This is the best. Okay. I mean, I recommend it that please don't take entry at the morning session. Wait for the PM session. At the PM session, you will get more clear price action. So that is my advice for you. But it's up to you. And guys, please give me the like. Don't forget to give me the like. I need the like. I if you don't subscribe me, it's okay. It's perfectly okay. It's up to you. If you don't subscribe me, you will lose the opportunity to learn this concept, because whatever I'm giving you here, if that was another person, I would tell that this is the gold. Okay, nobody will give it to you. Nobody, literally nobody. If there is anyone else who will clear your every doubt, just give me the link. I would like to learn from him as well. Nobody, literally nobody will teach you this thing, whatever I'm giving it to you over here. And I will, sooner I will quit this all of these things. So I really don't want your don't tell you here to give me the subscription, but no need to share my link as well. It's all up to you, but what I am asking is the like, only the like, brother, please. Because if you like it, Hans and Avi, they told me that it will be really better for the YouTube algorithm. More people will learn about my channel, and they will get the opportunity to learn the precise thing, or the, you can say, the diamond. They will get the opportunity. That's why I'm asking, like, not for me. To be honest, it's not for me. And I always repeat that I really don't know how much I can earn from the YouTube, but I know how much I can earn from the trading just in 1 hour. I know that. So if you think I'm doing all of these things for YouTube, man, that is your mistake, not mine. Okay, and that is all, brother. I am. If I just waste your time, I'm really sorry for that. I really wanted to talk about the psychology. I mean, wanted to talk about psychology, something else, but really, I don't know why I'm getting bored today. I don't know. So I think I should. I have already successfully wasted your maybe near about 2 hours. I think that's all for today. Before leaving my session, please give me the like. If you didn't give me the like, please give it to me. Okay, that is my request to you all, guys. Thanks for watching the video. And okay, so I forgot to ask you guys, is it clear the Friday price action? I mean, do you have any question or any confusion about the Friday's price action? If you have any confusion, I will clear it right now. Otherwise, after getting the confirmation, I will close my, I mean, the session today. Okay. If this is peanuts, with the knowledge that you don't need us, please give like, that is the, yeah. Thank you, brother. Thanks, Bumpy. Please give me the like only. That will help other people. Other people will know about my channel, and whoever will stay here for 1 or 2 days, I can assure you, he will never leave this channel. I can assure you. But if you really want to learn the price action, precise price action, but if you are here for signal or NT setups, something like that, is not the place for you. You can leave it right now. If you have already subscribed to my channel, you can unsubscribe me, and you can leave me, because I'm not gonna give you the signal or NT setup. But you will learn everything by yourself. I'm just giving you the direction. You have to walk by yourself in that direction. Thank you, Remedius. And please, if anybody didn't take the note, watch this live again, take the notes. If you don't take the notes, if it is just Netflix, to be honest brother, it is not going to help you. You have successfully wasted your time. You need to take the notes. You have to go to your chart every single day. You have to mark every single day. I The way I did it, you have to do it by yourself. And if you don't do it, if you skip it, that and just watch the video and think you are learning, no, you are not learning, you are just wasting your time. Okay, so please do these two things: take notes, go to your chart, do the same thing I have done over here. If you repeat that, you will learn. I promise you, you will learn. Within 2 months you will be a profitable trader. At least you will get one strategy that will bring real money to you. Otherwise you have just successfully wasted your 2 hours from your life. So thanks, I think brother Vince, thank you, no problem. V, I think that's enough for one day. I will try to come tomorrow at the 8 a.m. New York local time. I mean the same time I started today, and tomorrow I will try to talk about the weekly bass. This weekly bass, I'll try to talk about that, how to work next week. Until then, cheers. Be safe, guys. Bye bye.